Good morning, guys. I hope you're having an amazing day. It's about 7 o'clock and I headed outside because I have my new camera recently. In case you don't follow me and you didn't see the video yet, the R6 Mark II, and I wanted to test it for some street photography. Now I already went out one day and did some tests with it, but that was just for myself. Today I also wanted to bring you along so that you can see what this shooting street with this camera is like. So yeah, have fun watching this video. I hope I get some good shots today. It is already past golden hour though, but I still think we're gonna get some great shots. And you can see the subject recognition working so well, even that far. I'm also shooting in high frame rates now, so this camera can shoot at 12 frames per second. And you might hear that a lot faster than my EOS R, which is my second camera right now and used to be my first camera. Yeah, missing the shots isn't that much of a thing anymore. You can really see how far everyone is and how good the autofocus works at detecting them. Let's try the animal autofocus right now. I'm still leaving it in auto mode so that the camera can detect when it sees an animal, and I'm not telling it that it should look for an animal. So just saying. There we go. Maybe if I told it what it should look for, it might be faster. Oh shit, what is that? It's eating another bird. What the hell are you doing, guys? What the hell is wrong with this? It's National Geographic's right now. But when you tell the camera to look for animals, then it does a much better job than leaving it in auto. For people, however, it's not to be a problem leaving it in auto. What a nice car. Let's try to take a shot of the water right here. ask how many photos you want in focus, and this camera just says yes. There is no photos where you miss the shot. Alright guys, I think it's time to close it. Now I will also film a reel for Instagram because I really like the light, and for some reason there's a lot of old trams driving by and I really like them. But that was it for the street photography test with the R6 Mark II. The autofocus is so good that I was stuck just shooting people all the time, because sometimes I also like urban photography in general, taking photos of other things and other elements of the city, but this time it was just people, motorcycles, cars, trams, because the autofocus is just so good and it was such a nice feeling. Anyways, I hope you liked this video, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something more about the R6 Mark II and its photo capabilities and the autofocus and everything. If you did, make sure to give this video a like. I would really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.